Sure. So Indian equities are what I'd say is kind of middle of the road for us within the emerging market country allocation. So it's not at the top, but it's not at the bottom. It's kind of in the middle. And so I would say that we're underweight Indian equities, but sort of a more modest underweight. Ideally, we'd like to see better prices and lower valuations. But at the moment, it's not standing out as a really attractive market for us to be overweight. The primary view we have at the moment is that small and mid-cap stocks look more attractive than large caps. So we've been shifting our allocations towards the small and mid-cap part of the market. Mid-caps and small caps have been down more than the large cap space since 2017. And so we're seeing more value there. So that's where we've been shifting the portfolios. It's a long-term view. So, we're long-term investors. And so from a sort of a long-term perspective, those parts of the market look more attractive. We don't have any strong views on any one sector, so generally we're kind of broadly tracking the market. But I'd say that within the large cap, some of the sort of more private banks look interesting. Although we see the valuations are a little more stretched. But we don't have any strong views right now on the sectors. I haven't looked at the specific ESG opportunity set within Indian public markets or listed equities, but I would say that generally we're seeing ESG become more important to institutional investors and asset owners, especially in Europe. And so as those investors are looking at the larger listed companies in emerging markets, it's becoming more and more important. So, if you want to attract foreign investment, then, I think ESG factors or characteristics, tend to need to be considered by those companies. So I think, longer term, I think ESG is going to become more and more important for investors everywhere around the world, including in emerging markets and countries like India.